Hey everybody, um, let me introduce myself first. My name is Mahmoud Radwan, and today I will be your teacher in so many lessons. I will make a tutorials about it, and it will be all about how to make a pop-up. So today is my first video and my first tutorial. So forgive me if my English is not very well because it's not my first language. So I will do my best. Okay. Um, so let's get started. Um, Today is the first lesson, and we will talk about the pop-up and how to make a pop-up. Actually, it's not very difficult, but you will need to know a little basics so you can start with. Okay. First of all, the materials. What materials do you need to start making a pop-up? First of all, you will need a scissor, and you will need a ruler and this little craft knife. You will just gonna need I really recommend this kind of craft knife because it's looked like a pencil and you can use it very easy, and you can change the blades very easy too. So it's really I really recommend this kind of craft knives. And a double side tape. I like the double side tape. You can use any tape you have, but this kind of tapes, it's really helpful with you. And a one side tape. It's sticky from just one side. It's not sticky from here, but sticky from there. So you will need all of this, and you can also use glue, but I don't prefer to using glue when I'm working because it's really messy. So that's all what you need. And of course, we forgot something very important: a piece of paper. Any craft, any card stock you have can be used. So this kind of paper, it's 170 milligram wet. So it's really nice to use not very um, high wet paper, but 170 is very wonderful milligram to use when you are doing pop-ups. So and also you can use something very lightly like this. It's not a problem, you know. So okay. First lesson today, I will show you how to make something. It's called a box layer. A box layer is a very basic mechanism that we are using it in a lot of things. So let me show you a little thing that I did before. So this is the first card I have ever made. I start from here. So forgive me about the voice from outside. It's really annoying, I know. So this was my first video, my first pop-up card I made a few years ago, actually, more than 7 years, something like that. 7 years ago. So can you see it's a 3D card, and it's really beautiful, and it's handmade drawing, and it's really cool, right? And I have also this card too. It's this card. Can you see this? It's really easy to do, to make, and I will show you this mechanism. This is a box layer. This box layer. So how we can do something like that? So I have so many of them. Actually, I did before. So yeah, you can use it in a lot of things. We are using a lot. Okay, so let's get started. How to make something like this card? Okay, we will start with any cardstock you have, and just cutting a square like this square. Then just cut it like that. Okay, and then we will bend it over. We'll bend it like this. So now we have this. This is like a card, like a regular card, but it's not a 3D card. So how to turn this to a pop-up? First of all, this box layer, it's based on a 90-degree angle. So the 90-degree angle is this. This is 90-degree angle. So we are using this to make the box layer. Let me show you. You will get the card open from this side, and this line is what we all. This is the engine that we are using it to make the pop-up. So build everything on it. So let's get started. When we cutting like a line like this, and we can make another line from this here, and very important to know that these lines are the same. You have to make it from here and here the same in the other one. So then you will bend it like this. Can you see it like this? Just bend it like that, and then flip it and bend it over like that again, and then get it back. So now let's open this card. So nothing is happening right there, but you will gonna push this one from here. Just push it down like this. All right. So look, wow, it's a box layer. Can you see that? It's a box layer, and you can just close it like that. And then you will need to use a cover to cover this area, but we will later show you how to do it. But this is the box layer. Can you see that? It's 9-degree angle, like I told you before. And if you can see this and that height, they are equal. Actually, if you measure this and measure that, it will be equal. So it's really important when you are doing a box layer to make it equals. But it's not always need to be equals. You know, the height need to be equal, but you can play with this area, as you can see. So let's try another thing. Look, I will make it very long, like that, and another line, and they are the same, like I said before. They need to be the same. Okay, this need to be the same with this. So we will gonna open this one. All right, and then if you bend it from here, from this area, and from this area, it's will be the same of this one. But what if we want something is not equal with this this height and that? How to make something abnormal of this one? I will show you. We will use our craft knife, and we will cut it like from there leave 1 centimeter. Okay, you will gonna leave like 1 centimeter, and then you go down and make this the same line, and we will stop right there. Okay, we are not measuring right now, we are just make something different. Okay, so what we can do right now, look, if you make this, bending this like that, and then we will gonna bend this. Can you see this height? I don't know if you can if you can see that this height from bottom and from right there, we will do it the same over here. So how we can do this? We will do it like that. Can you see? This now is equal with this height. The height are the same. So look how we can just bend it over like that. See? This is not equal with that. This box was equals and this box was the same height, but this one is different, a little different. So how we made this one? Actually, it's this height is the same of this height, but we just played in this area, and this is the basic pop-up that you can use in a lot of mechanisms. Actually, you can use it a lot. I will show you so many things that I used it. It's actually a very cool thing, and you can also see the card from this area. Actually, you can use it in this way, and you can use it in that way. It's actually up to you. Okay. So if I show you maybe that card, if I show you that card, it's actually the same thing. As you can see, it's the same thing, but we just did something really cool. This one we use it. You can make a piano card with this one, as you can see, and you can add another box layer on this box, right? Like, remember when we tried to cut this, we just bend it like that and cut it like this. So it's the same thing. You're gonna use it, but you just stick this up and cut it from there, as like that. But it's not let me show you. Okay, I will gonna cut it like that, and another one, and they are the same, and then we are gonna push it right there, push it like this, and like this. So as you can see, now we have two box layers like that way. This is really cool. You can just play with this wherever you want to do. It's really easy to make anything you want from this mechanism, actually. A lot of things. Yeah, okay. So I will show you how to make something like that one. how to stick pieces on this boxes so you can use it. Let me take this cardstock. I will just cut any shape I like. So let's just do anything right now. Have one, and let me do another one. Okay. So here we have two shapes, and what we need now is the double side tape. Like I said before, you're gonna need it. You just need to take this cover off, and this is sticky, and that is sticky too. And you will edit. You can edit whatever you want, but we will just gonna edit right there, because when we close this, that one, if you put it right there, so you need to make the layer this shape to be right there, because if you didn't do this, when you close it, it will sticky and it will be a messy thing. So just push it right there to be like that, and then you can take this, maybe put it right there. See, now you have a pop-up, and it's all down and it's all up. So the same with this one. It's really the same. Can you see this shape is like that one? Very nice. Very cool, right? So so let's get the other one. We will just need to use this stuff, this glue, this tape. Actually, it's not glue. And then I will put it over there. Let's use this little square. So when we put it like that, can you see? I know it's sticky from outside, but you can add a cover to cover them all. So to be like this, let's cover them all. And then when you open it, it's actually stay inside. But here we go. Now we have a box layer, and we have a shape, whatever you want to draw in these shapes. So you can just draw whatever you want, like I showed you before, like that one, and like this one. Show you this one, and also this one, the first one. So as you can see, and I have actually two of them. This is a little different, and that, the last one. As you can see, it did the same mechanism, the box layer. So I told you before that we are using this mechanism a lot. So how we can use it, and what we can do with these layers. So let me show you something very cool about Monster ink I was working on. So this card is from Monster ink. As you can see, it's a very cool card actually. We have a movement. So where is the box layer? We are using the box layer in this card. So where is it? Let me show you. First of all, it's from here. You can see it's very the same of what we did before. But look at this from this angle. You can see this is the box layer. So it's a box layer with other stuff, but we will talk about this stuff later. But this is the box layer, what I call a box layer. So I told you we are using it a lot with very different ways you can use this. So that's all what we have today, and I'm very enjoying that I'm giving you this lesson, and there's a lot of lessons we will do after this lesson. We will make so many tutorials about a lot of things, very difficult, more than that, but I hope you enjoy with my first tutorial, and I really forgive me if my English is not very well, but I really doing my best. So so yeah, okay. Let me tell you, see you next time. Bye bye.